In this video, I am performing powder brows, which is a semi-permanent makeup procedure. At first, I will tidy up the eyebrows and then map the eyebrows. I'll map the eyebrows using the face structure and the bone structure to get the eyebrows perfect to the face. I will then get a brown pencil and pre-draw the eyebrows as if I was going to tattoo them. I will draw them on, shade them and show them to the client, and once the client is happy with them, we will go ahead. I'll then get some white ink to shade around the eyebrows, so I'll tattoo in between. At first, I'll go around the outline of the eyebrow until it picks up pigment and use that as my stencil. Once I've done the outline, I will then start shading from the tail towards the front. My aim is the tail darker and bringing it to the front a bit lighter to make it an ombre effect. I will focus on one eyebrow and then go to the other. Once one eyebrow is 70% completed, I will then switch to the other eyebrow and 70% complete that eyebrow. And then once I've done that, I'll be going back and forth to touch up any gaps and make sure that they are both equal. And then I'll rub ink into them so the ink absorbs into the skin, and then after I will show the client their eyebrows. The client will need a top up 6 weeks after.